I am standing roughly right in between the two lots on the road, the two Paradise Parkway lots, and I'm going to give you a little tour of the area, but first show you this is the road and the surrounding properties. Nice place there. I got some doggies up there protecting the premises, but they're pretty quiet. Anyway, I'm going to walk out on the property a ways. Some of this is a little difficult walking because of the material I'm walking on. It's not too bad though. You can see the area in front is fairly level. These properties are roughly 70 feet wide and 623 feet long. So if you combine the two, it would be 140 feet by 623, which is a pretty good sized chunk of property, about 2 acres. Got a little bit of a rough area here I'm going to climb down into. You can see this is part of an old flow, it looks like to me. And you see on either side is a kind of a ridge, and in the middle of it is just kind of flattened out. This is where the lava came through and left, and the stuff that cooled turned into a crust on the side. Left behind is volcanic rock. Better known as as opposed to Pahoehoe, which is a smoother type of a volcanic flow. It's a little windy right now, so hopefully it won't wreck the sound. But if it does, we'll just have to bear with it. This area up here appears to be an old Pahoehoe flow, which is easier to walk on. You can see this is a huge flat area, slightly sloped for quite a ways. And if you look behind, you don't see any road, which of course if you put a 2-story house in, you might be able to see the road from here, but then it would also give you a fantastic view of the distant ocean. Right now we've got rain going on out there, it looks like, and you can see the ocean from here, but not with my little camera. Anyway, I'll walk around a little bit, give you an idea of what this place is like. we're coming into some more down here, kind of mixed with the Pahoehoe. Sometimes is a little easier to manage if you're using a bulldozer. Pahoehoe is nice because you can walk around on it, and it is easy to landscape by hand sometimes, as far as pathways and things go. Looks like the property drops off a bit down here, which is good if you want to get yourself what I call the illusion of seclusion. You're not too far from the road, but you're hidden from view. Looks like at one time somebody must have taken a bulldozer up here, as this is flattened out and does not appear to be a flow. It looks like somebody's driven around up here a little bit with a bulldozer. Not a bad area. I like it.